about to, um, I guess I'm about to play around with my voice for a little bit. Actually, see if I sound good. What is this? I want to play around with my voice. I'm gonna sing Christina Aguilera, but I'm gonna sing acapella because I just tried to sing with karaoke, and I hate how karaoke be so slow and I sing so quick, I believe so guess that might work. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna sing a song that I don't even know. I'm gonna sing If I Were a Boy first. No, I should sing Bounce to You by Christina Aguilera. I'm gonna sing Bounce to You by Christina Aguilera. I'm gonna sing that first. Okay. Sweet love, sweet love, trapped in your love. I've opened now, and sure I can trust my heart, and I will buried in dust. Free me, free us. You're all I need when I'm holding you tight. If you walk away, I will suffer tonight. I'll find some that I can trust, and boy, I believe in us. I am terrified to love for the first time. Can't you see that I'm bound in chains? I finally found my way. I am bound to you. I am bound to you. Okay, that was a hot mess. That was terrible. So I think I'm gonna say If I Were a Boy by Beyonce. Oh. Oh, I'm not thinking If I Were a Boy was by Sierra. Why am I thinking about that? Okay. Uh, I lighting here so terrible. Ugh, the lighting here is horrible. It's like dark. Well, it's not that dark. Not this dark though. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay. All right. So, what song? How to start? But yeah. If I were a boy, even just for a day, I'd roll out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go. Drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I kick it with what I wanted and never get confronted for it. Cause they stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand. Whoa, how it feels to love a girl. Sometimes they have better names. You don't listen to her. You don't care how it hurts when you lose the way you want it. Cause it's taking you for granted and everything you end up destroyed. It's a little too late for you to come back. That it's just a mistake. Think I'll forgive you like that. If you thought I would wait for you, you thought wrong. But you're just a boy. Okay, I want to say something else. One more song. I think it begins with an S. I can't remember the name of the song. I'll just think about it. Uh, Guys, help me! No. I don't remember the name of the song. I'm gonna just say Think About You by Frank Ocean. I'm gonna just sing that one because I can't remember the name of the song. It started with an S though, I think. But I don't know. Watching the video ends, I'm gonna remember. And I'm gonna be pissed. Who cares? Oh, the video's cutting off. Oh, no, that. Okay. It's a made a fool around my room before you can. Excuse the mess I made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. And my eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they fall when thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do ya? Well, still nothing so far ahead. 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. Ooh, yeah. Well, still nothing so far ahead. 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. Ooh, yeah. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Gotta beat your back and stuff with Idaho since you think I love you. I just thought you were cute, that's why I kissed you. That body shot I don't get the fly, it don't line down. Think about you, oh no, no, no. I've been thinking about you, oh no, no, no. I've been thinking about you, do you think about me still? Do ya? Well, still nothing so far ahead. 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. Ooh. Well, still nothing so far ahead. Ew. 'Cause I'm thinking about forever. Ooh. So I sung those songs. And I really thought I sang Love on Better Now. I sang Love on Top. Honey, honey, I can feel the wind. Wait. Bring the beat in. Honey, honey, I can feel the sun. I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on my window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody asks me why I'm calling out from here to here. But I know, oh wow, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. I'm fighting through my tears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. Oh God. I was waiting for it to come up. I'm waiting for that part to come. I usually get it. I get it sometimes, and then I don't get it sometimes. Like it's never. It's sometimes good, and sometimes it's not. On a good day. But I'll let you look on the window with a cloudy day. It doesn't work on cloudy days. It's cloudy outside. Let's try it again. Come on. Dang, I need a partner. It's so here, but I know, oh, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it. I've been fighting through my tears, and finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. Oh my gosh. Oh, baby, it's you. Oh, whatever. Not gonna get it. You're the one that gives you all. You're the one that can always call. What?